You've just done the quest for HQ to find recruit staff. Come authorize them. Recruit staff by speaking to settlers with a recruitment clipboard. Okay. Except your clipboard should be there. Now to get one, what do you do? Blah, blah, blah. Use a tilde. player.additem. This will be down below. And enter. Get out of there. One clipboard has been put into for infantry, and under weapons, if you scroll down, there it is. Click on it like any other weapon. Yep. And press Q. I'm going to put mine in 6. Let's press 6. Come on, 6. Do it to me. There you are. There is your clipboard. So now you can go and find a settler in one of your settlements and recruit them. Sometimes it doesn't come up. It should be there. Usually it should be there. Maybe escape out of the game and come back in. Or close the game, come back in, reload. It should be there on top. Administrator desk. I even did clipping down in there. TCL. Nope. Wasn't anywhere. So for me, it wasn't spawned in, so there you go. I hope this helps a whole lot of people. Cheers. Bye.